Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to use an Overcast Foot. This handy tool is designed to give your sewing projects a professional, finished look by preventing fabric edges from fraying. It effectively mimics the appearance of a serger stitch, all while using your standard sewing machine. The foot features a clever central bar that helps wrap the thread around the fabric edge, keeping it neat and preventing any unwanted curling. It's a fantastic accessory for anyone looking to elevate their sewing finishes. Attaching the Overcast Foot is usually a simple snap-on process. Once it's securely in place, the next crucial step is selecting the correct stitch on your sewing machine. Most machines offer a dedicated overedge stitch, or you can use a wide zigzag stitch. Before you begin sewing, always manually turn your handwheel a few times to ensure the needle clears the foot's central bar, preventing any accidental needle breaks. Your machine's manual will also provide specific stitch recommendations for optimal results. When you're ready to sew, carefully align the raw edge of your fabric with the guide on the Overcast Foot. Begin stitching slowly, maintaining a consistent speed and keeping the fabric edge aligned with the guide. The unique central bar on the foot plays a key role here, helping to form neat, even stitches that wrap around the fabric edge without puckering. Remember to adjust your stitch length and width as needed. For example, a 2 to 2.5 millimeter stitch length often works well for preventing fraying. For the most professional finish, always test your stitch settings on a scrap piece of your actual fabric before starting your project. Generally, stitches that move only forward are best for light to medium weight fabrics, while those that move back and forth are better suited for medium to heavyweight materials. The Overcast Foot is a versatile tool that helps create neat, durable seams, giving your handmade items a polished, store-bought quality. With a little practice, you'll be finishing edges like a pro.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.